hands on my shoulders, pressure to break or retreat at every turn, facing the fear that the truth I discovered. No telling how all this will work out, but I've come too far to go back now. I am looking for freedom, looking for freedom, and to find it cost me everything I have. Well, I am looking for freedom, looking for freedom, and to find it may take everything I have.
I know all too well it don't come easy. The chains of the world, they seem to move in tight. I try to walk around in the stumbling so familiar, trying to get up, but the doubt is so strong. There's gotta be a win in my bones. I'm looking for freedom, looking for freedom, and to find that cost me everything I had. Well, I'm looking for freedom, I'm looking for freedom, and to find that may take everything I have.
Oh, now giving up has always been hard, so hard. But if I do things the easy way, I won't get far. Life hasn't been very kind to me lately,
Well,
but I suppose it's a push for moving on. In time, the sun's gonna shine on me nicely.